Hey YouTube, it's NFL Man 700. This is one of my dogs. I thought you'd just like to look at her. Look at that pretty little face. She like a lot. Her name is Bud. Her name is Bud. She's my dog. Yes, her is. She's my dog. She's a good one. She's got her head stretch. I'm just trying to get some people to watch my videos. Thought, my dog would be interesting, so not to stray away from my usual card breaking. Just thought, yes, you'd like to see my dog. I got three of them. Two of them are in the bathroom with my mom. So, thanks, YouTube.